Hello everyone. Today I am going to perform the dissection of hibiscus flower to study its different floral parts. For this dissection, I need a fresh hibiscus flower, blade or needle. First, I observe the external features of the flower. The hibiscus flower is large and attractive, bisexual, contains both male and female parts, complete flower, actinomorphic means it's radially symmetrical, pentamerous means floral parts in multiples of 5. Now I observe the epicalyx. It is present below the calyx. It consists of 5 to 8 green bracteoles. It protects the flower in bud stage. Next, I observe the calyx. It consists of 5 green sepals. Sepals are gamosepalous, fused. Function: protection of inner floral parts. Now, I remove the sepals and observe the corolla. It consists of 5 large, brightly colored petals. Petals are polypetalous, free. They show twisted estivation. Function: attract pollinators. Next, I observe the andrecium. It consists of numerous stamens. Filaments are fused to form a staminal tube. Anthers are monothecous. This condition is called monodelphous. Now, I observe the gynoecium present inside the staminal tube. It is pentacarpellary, ovary is superior, ovary is pentalocular. Each locule contains many ovules. Style passes through the staminal tube. Stigma is 5-lobed. Thus, by dissecting the hibiscus flower, I studied all its floral parts including epicalyx, calyx, corolla, andrecium and gynoecium. Hence, the hibiscus flower belongs to the family Malvaceae. Thank you so much for watching.